Preset Browser for Shader Tree. Preset Browser for Shader Tree allows quicker and better access to adding shader tree layers. It follows the standard Modo shortcut to open it while the cursor is above shader tree, Shift+N. It is also available via button, Shader Tree Top Bar. The custom thumbnails shows black and white representation of the texture with lower right diagonal part showing height representation for effects like displacement. Other types of shading items also have helpful thumbnails to quickly distinguish between different types of shaders or materials before adding it to the scene. While the Shader Preset Browser was introduced with version 1, in version 2.0 it is used in many more places. It will show up when you will be adding texture layers for specific purposes, like texture offset, adding texture layer from channel, or changing layer to different type.